Hello everybody, it's Tracy. Okay, so I have some projects to share with you today. So now these projects, the first part, I did a few projects earlier in the summer, like in June, early July, and they've just been sitting around on my table because I just haven't felt like making a video. But today, I feel like making a video. So that's what I'm going to do. The first two, I used a tutorial, and this tutorial is by Lyric Lover 810. I will attach her name or put her name down below, her YouTube address, and you can go and check her out. I made note card holders, and I just happened to come across her video, and that's what I decided to try because hers looks so cool. So this is the first one. Now this, I believe, is 6x6, about 6x6. Yeah, they're 6x6, and they're note card holders. The collection I used is a Hot Buy collection from Michaels. I don't remember which one because it was so long ago and that is put away. But if you really want to know what collection, just leave a comment below and I will happily find it and tell you which one. Okay, so this is the cover and that's the back. Alright, so the cover, I added some stickles, hope you can see it. Used a little strip from the collection and some Recollections flowers and some flat back metallic pearls, and this is the inside. Super simple, super easy, just something to hold some note cards. And I used these note cards that were also Hot Buy cards, and again, not sure what the collection was, but they're old, kind of. 3 cards in each side with the envelopes. And I wanted to do this because my girls and my mom, they always need note cards, and sometimes I just don't have time to just whip up a note card on the spot. And so that is it. Whoops. Super simple. So I made another one. And again, a cutout tag from the collection. Used some flat back pearls and flowers. And that's the back. And more of the cards. I think they're the same ones. I don't know. I don't even remember which ones I just showed you. 3 there and 3 here. Okay. Alright. So like I said, I did these a few weeks ago, put them aside, and fast forward to about a week ago, I got the Elle collection. LOL collection. So I do have that because it's not that old. And I decided that I would like to make some more note card holders, but I wanted to do something different, so I went off on my own and did my own thing. So I made 3 of these, 1 each for my girls, and this is my own thing here. I don't have a tutorial. I don't do tutorials. They take a lot of time and effort, and yeah. So, but anyway, this is what I created. That is the front. I decided to make some gussets, and that's what I did for the side. And that's the back, and it's magnetized, so it opens up like so. Okay, and so on the side it's just decoration. I just used parts of the paper, and on this side is the working side with the note cards. And the note cards are also from the LOL collection with the envelopes. And that's how that is there. And the same over here. I used 3 again on each side, 3 cards each side. This collection is so cute. It's just so adorable. I love it. So that's how that goes. And it closes with magnet. So that is my design there. Let me show you the second one. Use some thickers, which are still crooked, but I think it still looks kind of cute. I even use that little, I have a device that's supposed to make thickers go on straight. No, not mine. Not even with the device, but whatever. This is the flower there. Opens up. There's the little girl again, another little girl. Opens up. Same thing with the note cards. Not going to bother taking the note cards out because you know what that looks like. And that closes up with a magnet. And that's the back. Okay? And the last one I did is this one. And so I just added a bow there that I used a die for. I think that was the pink and mane bow because that's the one that I've been using a lot lately. And that's the back. And that opens up. And there's another little girl. And there are the note cards again. Okay, and that closes, and that closes. So those are my little note card holders that I had so much fun creating because I love cutting and folding paper. For some reason that's like I love doing that. So those are what I created, and I hope you enjoyed seeing what I created. I surely did enjoy creating and sharing. And again, if you would like to know how to create these, then just look below and I'll have her YouTube name below so you can go check her out. Okay, thanks again everybody. See you next time. Bye bye.